Parker, what are you eating? Are you eating chocolate pudding? Or is it eating you? Mm-hmm. No, sir. No, sir. Did you get any in your mouth? Yeah. I have a feeling you'll be getting a bath this evening. No, sir. You eat it. Mmm. Apples and chocolate pudding. Messy, messy boy. Parker, can you say hi? I'm too busy eating. You see our big bruise on our forehead? Yeah. We took a spill. Goodness me. Oh, in the hair and everything. Thank you. Check that out. Excellent. All right, messy baby, finish it up. And then you're going in the tub. Mmm. Apples in the hair too. Perfect. Say night-night. Night.